Every week, a new AI tool launches. They all claim to save you hours, replace your job, 10 times your productivity. I spent 3 months testing 47 of them. Most are vaporware wrapped in good marketing. 5 are legitimately game-changing. This video covers the 5 worth your time and the 42 you should ignore. AI tools fall into 3 categories. Category 1 actually solves a problem better than existing solutions. Category 2 does something existing tools already do but charges you because it has AI in the name. Category 3 doesn't work at all but raised $10 million in funding. Most fall into categories 2 and 3. The 5 I'm recommending are all category 1. ChatGPT is the baseline. Everything else gets compared to this. Use it for writing, research, brainstorming, coding help, learning new topics. Free tier is enough for most people. ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month is worth it if you use it daily. The key is learning how to prompt it correctly. Bad prompts get bad outputs. Good prompts make it feel like magic. I'll cover prompting in a future video. Claude handles longer context better than ChatGPT. If you're summarizing 50-page documents, analyzing research papers, or writing long-form content, Claude wins. It also feels more natural in conversation, less robotic. The free tier is generous. Claude Pro at $20 a month competes directly with ChatGPT Plus. For most people, pick one and stick with it. I use both. Midjourney creates the most aesthetically pleasing images of any AI generator. DALL-E is easier to use. Stable Diffusion is free and open source, but Midjourney's output quality is unmatched. $10 a month for the basic plan. Worth it if you create content, design mockups, or need visuals regularly. The learning curve is steeper than competitors, but the results justify it. ElevenLabs generates the most realistic AI voices available. Use it for voiceovers, audiobooks, video narration, podcasts. The free tier gives you enough credits to test it. Paid plans start at $5 a month. If you're making faceless YouTube videos or need voiceovers without hiring talent, this is the tool. Nothing else comes close to this quality. Descript lets you edit video by editing text. The AI transcribes your video. You delete words from the transcript, and the corresponding video gets cut. No timeline scrubbing. It also has AI voice cloning, background noise removal, and filler word removal. Free tier exists but is limited. Paid plans start at $12 a month. If you edit video regularly, this saves hours per project. I'm not listing all 42. But here's why most didn't make the cut. They're single-use tools that solve problems you have once a year. They're repackaged versions of ChatGPT with a markup. They have paywalls that make them unusable on free tiers. They promise features that don't work yet. Or they're good but redundant if you already have one of the 5 above. Stick with the 5. Add others only when you hit a specific limitation. Don't sign up for all 5 today and try to learn them simultaneously. Pick one, ChatGPT or Claude. Use it for 2 weeks. Learn it deeply. Then add a second tool when you hit a use case the first one can't handle. Stack tools gradually. The people who get the most value from AI aren't the ones using 47 tools. They're the ones who mastered 5. Comment which of these 5 you're starting with, or all 5 if you're already using them. Next video, ChatGPT prompts that actually work. The 10 I use daily that turn garbage outputs into gold. Subscribe to ToolStack. The best AI users learn faster,